Creating an app like Housecall Pro is easier than you might think, and in this video, I'll walk you through the core features and tools that make Housecall Pro such a powerful platform, so stick around till the end. If you're looking to build an app similar to Housecall Pro, whether for your business or as a service for others, you'll want to hear all the key elements to consider. Housecall Pro is a field service management app designed to help small businesses in home service industries streamline their operations. The software focuses on making scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer management as simple and efficient as possible. It's designed to save time for businesses and increase overall productivity, making it an appealing solution for HVAC technicians, electricians, plumbers, and many more. To create an app like Housecall Pro, you first need to focus on user-friendly scheduling and dispatch features. The heart of Housecall Pro is its ability to let businesses schedule jobs in a matter of minutes and dispatch the right technician at the right time. A strong, intuitive scheduling system is key to creating a seamless user experience. The ability to integrate calendars, manage appointments, and automatically assign jobs to the most qualified technicians is a critical part of this. Next, you need to think about invoicing and payment solutions. Housecall Pro provides instant invoices upon job completion, which can be paid directly through the app. If you want to build something similar, you'll need to incorporate secure payment gateways that allow customers to pay via credit card, debit card, or even mobile payments, ensuring that your app can automatically generate accurate invoices based on services rendered. And track payments is essential for making it as efficient as Housecall Pro. Another important feature is the customer management system. Housecall Pro has a built-in CRM to keep track of customer information, previous services, and even specific preferences. This makes it easier for service providers to offer personalized services and improve customer retention. When creating an app like Housecall Pro, make sure your CRM is robust and allows service businesses to store customer details, service history, and communication logs. The mobile app itself is crucial. Housecall Pro's mobile app provides service technicians with all the tools they need to manage their day. From the job details to payment processing, everything is on the go. To replicate this, your app needs to be mobile optimized, responsive, and able to function both online and offline to accommodate technicians in the field. Consider integrating features like GPS tracking to improve routing and provide real-time updates on job statuses. Don't forget to include a seamless customer-facing interface as well. Housecall Pro allows customers to book appointments directly through the app, check the status of jobs, and even communicate with technicians in real time. Building a smooth and intuitive customer portal is essential to ensure that your app is easy to use and enhances the customer experience. Finally, automating communication is an area where you can differentiate your app. Housecall Pro sends automated reminders, confirmations, and follow-ups to customers. By integrating automated messaging through SMS, email, or push notifications, you can ensure that your customers are always in the loop and never miss an important update. Now, before we wrap up, I want to let you know that you can actually try Housecall Pro for free through the first link in the description below. And yes, with exclusive bonuses for using this link, you'll have access to a full trial version of the software, so you can see these features in action yourself. Building an app like Housecall Pro requires more than just features. You need to focus on the user experience, streamline processes, and provide a seamless connection between customers and technicians. If you follow the steps mentioned here and add a dash of innovation, you'll be well on your way to creating an app that rivals the efficiency of Housecall Pro. Make sure to check out the exclusive extended free trial by using the link below and get started with Housecall Pro today. You won't regret it.